Is your 2014 Toyota RAV4 blowing warm air or leaking fluid beneath the dash? About 80% of AC leaks in this generation of RAV4 are traced to the evaporator core or aging O-ring seals. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint your specific leak. Start by checking your evaporator drain tube for clogs and running a UV dye test to reveal the exact source. Most leaks occur at the evaporator core, the condenser O-rings, or the compressor shaft seal. Don't overlook the service valve cores and high-pressure lines, which can develop slow leaks after a decade of service. You can handle O-ring replacements at home, but dash-intensive evaporator work is usually best left to the professionals. Repair costs vary significantly depending on which component has failed, with evaporator work being the most expensive. If you plan on doing this yourself, ensure you have a vacuum pump and proper manifold gauges to ensure a leak-free seal. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and glasses, and use a scanner to check for any climate control module codes. Remember that a small leak ignored today will only result in a complete system failure down the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more RAV4 troubleshooting tips.